Hey guys, welcome to Uinta Garage again. Little quick short for you, little tip on a little fabrication tip. Sometimes you need to make two things that are identical to each other. So we were making a transmission cross member, like so. And we decided with the style that I made this in, that it would be a good idea to add an additional cross member behind it and do a skid plate in between it. So we made this cross member right here. Looks real similar, right? Well, you might want to know how the heck you make two cross members. You might just think I'm a genius fabricator. I'm not. What you do is you make a jig. Now, you might think that means welding table or a fixturing table or something like that. You don't need any of that stuff. You need some wood. That's it. That's all you do. You put down your original piece and you just make yourself a jig. Just take all of these, put your original piece down, got to get it in the right spot, and you just make your jig all the way around it. So that when you do the next piece, you know what you're doing. Now, a couple of key things here. This piece of 2x4 right here on the bottom, this is the same length as the bottom piece. I knew that. I wanted to do it that way so that I made sure that this piece was the exact same length on both. And on the inside of these top pieces, you need to get the inside of this flush with the inside of that 2x4. So we had this piece built. It's not done quite yet, but generally speaking built. We built the second one. Cut all of our pieces, put them in the fixturing jig, lined everything up, and boom. You have two pieces that are identical to each other. And like I said, the reason we did this is we're going to attach a skid plate from here to here and from here to here to protect the transfer case so that the transfer case won't get hurt at all. Two additional cross members to help strengthen the frame, and generally speaking identical. A little bit longer here because the frame widens out. But that is how you make two identical pieces. You don't need a fixturing table. You don't need a welding table. All you need is some wood. Most of us have some 2x4s and a couple of pieces of OSB kicking around. And you can make more than one identical piece just by making a temporary fixture just like this. You guys have a good day. Join Uinta Garage for more quick tips like that. For more in-depth videos, we've got some cage videos. We've got a whole bunch of stuff. Click subscribe, do all that jazz. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you later.